The Northeast Astronomy Forum is kicking in right now. I don't know if you guys can hear what's going on outside, but it's really busy. I'm kind of still here in the Airstream. It's great to kind of be in here for just a little bit before we get into the rush. What we're going to do is we're going to show you all the latest stuff that we brought here. We have some new eyepieces, the FPL-53 telescopes. I'm real excited to get out there to show you some of the things that we have. Explore Scientific's truss tube Dobsonians continue to progress. We're showing the Gen 2 series here at this show, and we're showing something absolutely brand new, which is a 20-inch f3.6 version of the truss tube series. The fast f ratio of f3.6, the very easy to do collimation system, including our trademark wand that does collimation from the top down, makes it really easy. All you have to do is insert into this special hex wrench, and then if you collimate by eye using an eyepiece, or if you're throwing in a laser collimator, it makes it really easy to do. The truss tube structure, of course, is very strong. A tried and true design for Dobsonian makers, and this is just a real joy to use, very smooth, very easy to move, 2-speed focuser, and comes with this 8x50 with a long stock, which is a great little package. Not too tall. You're really not going to need a ladder. You might want a little step stool or something like that if you've got kids, or when you're pointing straight up at the zenith, I have to get on my tippy toes. But I think it's about the right height, and certainly 20-inch aperture is a great aperture to work with for galaxy hunting, nebulas. Looking at the real structure of these deep sky objects is really cool. Seeing individual stars and globular star clusters, a fantastic treat. And if you have the seeing conditions for it, 20 inches of aperture reveals incredible detail on planets. So come check it out. We will be taking this instrument out to star parties across the country this year. I'm really excited to show you our new FPL-53 series of telescopes. These two particular models, this is the 115 millimeter model and the 140 millimeter model. Both very reasonably compact telescopes in lightweight carbon fiber. They come with a massive 3-inch focuser with 2-speed adjustment, so very, very precision, very robust. This is a hex focuser design, which is new from Explore Scientific. They both come with our signature handle that has the slotted hole in there so that you can do piggyback photography on top of that handle, but the handle makes it easy to carry the instrument around. Both instruments with FPL-53 glass, that's the real magic here. One of the lowest dispersion ED glasses that you can purchase for any telescope. FPL-53 has an ABI number rating of 95. 100 would be perfect, but there is no 100 ABI number rated glass that's out there. So 95 is very, very close to that perfection that we're looking for, where we're looking for that, ultimately shooting for that color-free image. This is going to be shown here at this show, and also as we make our way across the United States at star parties under dark sky sites, so that you can get a first-hand view through these instruments. I think you're going to really like it. Put your eyepieces to the test. Use our eyepieces if you'd like, and you can really push the magnification up on these telescopes. Explore Scientific's well known for its refractors, and I love looking through refractors because the images through a refractor, to me, look like they're cut out of crystal. They just, The star sizes are so tiny, nebulosity just looks like it's etched in the sky, and what makes a refractor even better is using extra low dispersion glass. And in the instrument before me here, this is the ED152. This is our original 6-inch f8 airspace triplet with Hoya FCD1 glass. To give this the perfect touch though for an astrophotographer, we have a dedicated 0.7 50 millimeter clear aperture flat field adapter for it. And then we drive the whole thing. This is the Losmandy G11 set up for Explore Scientific, and we drive it with the PMC-8. And the PMC-8 stands for Precision Motion Controller 8 processor. And this system really is, an advanced motion control system with an open source application called Explore Stars. The system would allow you to operate it wired or wireless. You can do, you can stand there with your tablet and control the telescope with our app called Explore Stars, or you can use the ASCOM controller and operate it from anywhere in the world. And behind me is our most advanced telescope. And what we have here is the ED165. That's a 6.5-inch APO airspace triplet using O'Hara FPL53 glass. And O'Hara FPL53 glass, it's kind of a tongue twister, but it is absolutely some of the best glass out there. Extra low dispersion with an Abbe number of 95, and this gives you almost perfect true color rendition. This is an f7.5. Again, it works perfectly matched for this 0.7x flat field adapter if you're an astrophotographer, and this will cover even large big chip cameras. Something I want to say about the PMC-8 system is that not only was it built to last, we have conformal coating, we have mil-spec electronics in it, but we wanted to have the software to have a life of its own, and that's why we turned it over to the community. Yes, we control the user experience with the Explore Stars app. We have the ASCOM driver, but for those of you that are programmers, we didn't want to dictate to you what go-to technology was supposed to be all about. You can take that technology and drive it yourself and develop your own apps. So if you're someone that's developing something for a university, you are a researcher, you may just be a club and you want to develop your own platform that makes sense to you, or that will excite your friends and family in using a go-to system, go at it, and we'll support that. These carbon fiber tubes are lightweight. You can easily, one person can mount this on top of the G11. The G11 from Losmandy has, we include an RA spacer so the mount comes apart. This is a pretty hefty mount, yes, but it does come apart, so you have one piece here, one piece here. These are in the 20-pound range, okay? You got a very robust tripod. And something new that you see here is an accessory tray that we've been working to provide for the G11 system. And this will hold your eyepieces or cameras or little adapters. It just makes it real handy. Well, we're wrapping up our 2018 here at NEAF, Northeast Astronomy Forum, and it's been really fantastic. We've had a great time here. Met, I think, thousands of amateur astronomers out there. People asking all kinds of interesting questions, from the most beginner type of question to some pretty advanced questions as well. It's really amazing to see the broad range of the types of astronomers that are here. People have done everything from getting their very first views or very first astrophotographs ever to people who do research on asteroids, supernova. So I think it's just some of the most interesting people in the world. We are, we're a little bushed right now, and we look forward to the next event, and we've got a lot of equipment to tear down, but that's part of the job, and we're really happy you came by and visited us here at Explore Scientific. Take care.